Everybody has experienced this. After chopping garlic, onions, or other strong ingredients, the smell stubbornly clings to our hands for hours. I find it annoying, don't you? But what if I told you there was a quick fix to get rid of those offensive smells? It's also not a special soap or a formula kept hidden. Introducing the remarkable advantages of spoon rubbing. You heard that right? The key is made out of stainless steel. Stainless steel has a magical way of getting rid of strong smells. Rub your fingers against stainless steel to get rid of any offensive smells, including those caused by onions, garlic, or other pungent substances. No more having to put up with smells that just won't go away. Even stainless steel sinks can help. It's not just your hands. Try it out, and you'll be surprised at how quickly those unpleasant smells disappear. And before you leave, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't miss out on more great tips that can make your life easier and more fun. Say goodbye to bad smells and hello to a happier, fresher you. Never forget that a simple spoon can be your weapon of choice. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.